It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we're taking a good look at Bitcoin. So as you can see right now, Bitcoin managed to turn green yesterday. We managed to get some little volume in the market, which made Bitcoin to rally a little bit. I think it went to roughly 1%, 1 point, I think 2%. It depends on how it rallied yesterday, because as you can see right here, I think it opened around this level right here, then it rallied all the way to 1.35% roughly, which was nice to see. So so far so good. The market has been doing well. Why has the market been doing well? Let me take this away from here, right, so that we could see the charts clearly right here. So now, why when I said the market has been doing well, what I meant is that we are able to bounce off from this level of support right here. You would see, first things foremost, we found support on the daily EMA, on the daily 100 EMA. You could see it was very nice support around here. We bounced very well, so which is very good to see. And we even dropped all the way down here to retest it once more, which was very good for us to see that yes, we tested it once and we tested it again. So this was very nice to see. You could see we tested it twice. So I consider this test right here as a confirmation. Yes, as a confirmation. So now, what should we be talking about right now? What should be next for us? So what should be next for us right now is a move to the upside without us having to get any any hindrance, anything that will possibly take us downwards. So now, is there any possibility for us to go downwards? Yes, there is. Every possible means for us to go downwards. It all depends on the fundamentals. Yes, that is all I can say. It all depends on the fundamentals. If we look at the S&P 500 right here, we could see right here that the S&P 500 was able to find support from the 4 hours EMA. Yes, the 4 hours 200 EMA. And as you can see, as we dumped all the way to this level right here, we managed to retest the 200 EMA on the 4 hours time frame, and we broke above it. We found support within this range, and maybe we'll have to keep on going upwards. Yes, maybe we'll have to keep on going upward, but for now, the S&P 500 is actually doing well right here, as we can see. So now, what should we be expecting from Bitcoin today? I don't know. It all depends on the fundamentals. Like I said, it all depends on the fundamentals, and right now the fundamentals are good. If we can check the news right here, we could see as of 1 day ago, because I didn't make any video yesterday, sorry about that. I woke up late because I make these videos very early in the morning, as early as 3 a.m. So you could see, just in Coinbase enables PayPal integration for Canadian users to buy and sell crypto, which is very good. We could also see 3 trillion. Goldman Sachs expects the Federal Reserve to begin cutting interest rates in September. So which is also good. In terms of the SEC declares crypto liquid staking activities are not considered securities, which is bullish. And we also saw President Trump says 4 people have been considered to replace Jeremy Powell as Federal Reserve Chair. Michael Saylor says do not sell your Bitcoin as usual. President Trump signs executive order imposing an additional 25% tariff on India for buying sanctioned Russian oil. So now, as you can see, Russia, Breakout, South Africa and I think China, they are one of the BRICS nation. So because of that, I think Trump is trying to attack the BRICS nation one way or another. So it's obvious. So this tariff situation will keep on causing a lot of volatility in the market. So we should be expecting a lot of spikes due to the uncertainty that we could get from this, or the fault we could get from this tariffs that we've been getting. So we could see President Trump says he's donated, okay, but this is not important. Dubai officially approves first crypto option license. Good to see. Okay, now we are seeing BRICS to discuss joint response to Donald Trump's tariff. So, they are about to clap back. They're about to clap back. So I think with the look of things, next week might not look really good for the market, in the sense that there will be a lot of volatility next week. So China to allow launch of its first crypto stablecoin, FC reports. Good to see. President Trump officially announces 600 billion Apple investment plan. Okay, we discussed about this a long time ago. President Trump announces 100% tariff on all semiconductors entering the US, exempting companies that build in America. Okay. Now, I guess this particular statement is trying to tell people they should start investing, or they should start building in America. So, at the end of the day, America will be the ones to benefit. President Trump says he thinks Elon Musk is a good guy, is a good person. I could literally imagine him saying this in his voice or in his tone. Yeah. Elon Musk, yes, he is a good person. I think he had a bad moment. No, you should not say he had a bad moment. You both had a bad moment. I just don't know why Trump's like pushing, isolating himself from anything that involves, him and someone he doesn't like. He doesn't like involving himself with the majority of the people in the world ended up hating, just like the Epstein case. So yeah, that was literally it for the news. So as we can see, that that is basically what has happened in the news lately. We also have the issue with war. Obviously, we are not seeing some war kind of stuff where there is war going on with Russia and every other country. So there's a lot of uncertainty going on right now, and also given the fact that we are still in summer. So during summer, or the period of summer, there are less volume coming into the market. So it is what it is. But in as much as Bitcoin is still trading above this trend line right here and right now, which I think that it is where we are currently trading at right now, I would say we are good, because we are definitely trading to the upside, or moving to the upside. So we should consider this something worth considering. Yeah, we should consider this as something being good. Yes, there's also a possibility that this might be a triangle, a triangular pattern which we are trying to break from. So depending on where we're going to be breaking from, I'll definitely be here to let each and every one of us know. Now, in the case of worst case scenario, what we should be expecting if we won't be going up, if we should be dumping below this support right here at 1128, there's a possibility that we'll have to just dump all the way down to 109318. 109,000 is literally where I'm thinking that is, in as much as we're dumping to this level, I feel we have kind of bottomed out at the top for Bitcoin, for us to get another move to the upside. And by looking at the other chart right here, we could see that Bitcoin has kind of retested this resistance once more. You could see it has retested, so it is coming all the way down for correction. Maybe we could find support within this range right here at 114,164, then break above this major resistance at 115,800 level, find support right here and rally to our next area of resistance. So this is what I'm thinking will probably play out for Bitcoin for now, but I'll definitely be able to let each and every one of us know. Sorry about that. My voice in the morning is always too thick and it really ends up like I just can't explain it. So yeah, this is just all I can say for now. If you do enjoy this video, do well to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. Always subscribe, guys, for juicy contents like this so you won't miss out. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out.